Hi, everybody. Welcome to Individual Fitness 9. I'm Miss Dwyer. I'm your teacher for this course. So I have a little video put together. I'll share my screen with you and go through a PowerPoint to help you kind of navigate through this class. All right, so here we go. For attendance, make sure you guys are logging into Infinite Campus every day and getting that taken. A little bit about me. This is my third year as a head softball coach here at Eastview. I student taught here in the spring, although this is my first year actually teaching here. I did teach here in the spring, and I taught here online as well once COVID hit. So I've done both. I got my bachelor's degree from the University of Minnesota and played softball there as well, and I got my master's from St. Thomas this summer in PE and health. During quarantine, some of my favorite activities were I went home and I lived with my parents in Iowa. So this is our barn in our backyard. Had a lot of bonfires outside. I coach a club softball team, so these are the 16-year-olds that I coached. I went to my friend's lake a lot, which I'm sure a lot of you went to the lake as well. And then I bought a house 2 weeks ago, so that is me outside of my house. So those were kind of my big things that I did this summer and during quarantine. So the most important thing, what is this class going to look like for you guys? So it's split up into 3 workouts a week. So Monday and Tuesday will be the blue workout, is what we're going to call it. Wednesday will be the black workout, and Thursday and Friday will be the silver workout. When you are with me in person, we'll be doing an academic piece. So on Tuesdays when we meet, we'll be doing the academic piece via Zoom. Okay, so you'll get 10 points for the academic piece, 10 for the silver workout, 10 for the black workout, and 10 for the blue workout. So Monday or Tuesday, it is totally up to you when you want to complete your blue workout. You can do it Monday morning, you can do it Monday night, Tuesday morning, Tuesday after our Zoom session, totally up to you. Just know that it is due Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Okay, and then Tuesday we're going to meet on Zoom that afternoon and complete our academic piece. Wednesday, you're going to have the black workout, and that is going to be due Wednesday at 11:59. And then Thursday and Friday, you're going to have the silver workout, and that will be due Friday at 11:59. So as you can see, for the blue workout and the silver, you guys can have 2 days to complete it. So if you're slammed one day, you will have 2 days to do those workouts. All right. For grading, you'll get 10 points for each activity. You'll get 2 points taken off after you miss the due date in that first week. During the second week, if you turn it in then, you'll miss 4 points, and after that second week, you'll get 0 points. So that's our way to try to make sure you guys stay on top of your homework and getting them turned in. If you miss a workout, you're just going to go back to that folder of the day that you missed and do that. So there's no makeup assignments. All the folders will be accessible to you guys. That is what you will do for your assignments, regardless of if you do them on the day of or if you're turning them in late. So some expectations for your workouts at home, it should take about 30 minutes. By the time you log on to Schoology, do the workout, do the exit ticket, about 30 minutes is going to be our goal. And these are some things that you can expect our workouts to look like. So the most important thing is how to navigate our Schoology page. So at the top of our page, we'll have a discussion post here. If you have a random question you don't really want to ask me, but you just want to ask, put it in there. And if you're bored one day, you want to go through the discussion post, see if any of your friends have questions, any classmates have questions, feel free to answer them for your classmates. All right, and we are going to click on materials and go to week 1. All right, this is where you're going to find all of your assignments. Once you click on week 1, it'll come up like this. Week 1, blue workout, which is Monday or Tuesday, black workout, which is Wednesday, and silver workout, which is Thursday or Friday. The blue workout is going to be the most confusing because that is when we meet via Zoom. So once you click on the blue workout, it's going to look like this. All right, so it's going to say week 1, blue workout, digital academy only. That is you guys. Okay, so you're clicking on this link. It's going to have the workout in there. You're going to complete it, and when you're done, you're going to turn it in here where it says everyone turn it in. Okay, so the A and B kids are turning it in there as well. That's why it's specified for everybody to turn it in. The academic stuff that we talk about will be posted in here in case you forget and you're completing this exit ticket at a different time. Sometimes we'll be able to complete it during the Zoom session, and sometimes you'll have to do it after the Zoom session concludes. So just know that you're going to have a place to turn in your blue workout and your academic piece for Monday and Tuesday. If you understand this, the other days are going to be a breeze. The Wednesday black workout, you're just going to click on this. It's going to have your workout. You're going to turn in the exit ticket there. Thursday and Friday is going to be the same thing for your silver workout. Click on it there, turn it in here. All right, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me, Schoology message me. The best times that I'll probably respond are in the afternoons just because I'm not teaching as much, or Wednesdays just because we don't have students that day. All right, so feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week.